I'm Cleena from Easy Living Furniture and this is the Fulton Dining Table. The Fulton Dining Table is an extendable dining table, making it the perfect choice for anyone with a larger space. The Fulton Dining Table has a ceramic tabletop with metal legs. Ceramic tabletops are renowned for their durability. They are heat and scratch resistant, making them a great option for busy-bodied households. Unique is the perfect word to describe the Fulton Dining Table. It has striking legs that have a fluting-like design. The legs are bronze in colour, which is contrasted beautifully by a cream tabletop. The table can go from 180 centimetres to 230 centimetres and then to 280 centimetres. The extension leaves can be hidden away neatly within the table when not in use. If you're looking for a memorable dining table, then look no further than the Fulton. You can shop the dining table today by adding to cart now, or you can pop into one of our stores.